The first thing that you need to know is that this device is part of Elon Musk's space exploration company, SpaceX. And what Elon is doing in space is truly revolutionary. You see, launching an object into Earth's orbit has always been extremely expensive because you could only use the rocket one time. I mean, just imagine if we had to scrap every commercial airplane after a single flight and replace it with a new one. Air travel would be a luxury reserved for billionaires only, with ticket prices probably reaching tens of millions of dollars to cover the huge costs of disposable airplanes. And until recently, that was the reality of space exploration. Traditional rockets were used once and then discarded. They'd just fall into the ocean or burn up in the atmosphere or just be thrown out into space. And for that reason, each mission would require an entirely new rocket, which is why the costs were astronomical. But then everything began to change in 2001 when Elon Musk joined the Mars Society and began to research how he could bring down the cost of space exploration. That's when he had a crazy idea. What if, instead of using a disposable and very expensive rocket in every single launch, we could develop a reusable rocket that could go to orbit and come down to Earth? And so he took the $100 million fortune that he made in PayPal and started a new space exploration company called SpaceX, with the main goal of developing a reusable rocket. Now, most people thought it was just a pipe dream. So-called experts told him it was just science fiction and that it would never happen. They laughed at him. Well, nobody is laughing now because Elon Musk has done what many people thought was absolutely impossible. He invented reusable rockets. So now, instead of building new rockets for every single mission, SpaceX is able to reuse their rockets, dramatically reducing the cost of space exploration. It's estimated that SpaceX has cut the cost of launching payloads into orbit by more than 90%, and that is where the big opportunity comes in.